let me introduce myself. My name is Anik Ayla Fatsa, number 33. Today, I will tell you about a day in my campus life. Every morning, my day on campus began with the sound of my alarm ringing at 5 a.m. I usually take a few minutes to gather my thoughts before getting out of bed. I stretch, check my phone for any new message from my classmate, and prepare myself for another busy but exciting day. After a quick shower and a simple breakfast, usually just bread and coffee, I put on my backpack and head out the door. The walk to campus is one of my favorite parts of the day. The air is still cool and the streets are not too crowded yet. I often meet other students walking or cycling, and sometimes we greet each other with a friendly smile. When I enter the campus area, I'm always amazed by how alive everything feels. The trash swaying gently, the clatter of students, and the sound of footsteps rushing to class. My first class usually starts at 7 a.m. I always try to leave early so I can review my notes before the lecture begins. The classroom is filled with a mix of energy. Some students look sleepy, others look excited, and a few are silently panicking because they forgot about an assignment to do that day. As the professor starts the lesson, I try my best to stay focused. Sometimes it's easy, especially when the topic is interesting. But on other day, I catch myself daydreaming or letting the urge to fall asleep. After the first class ends, I usually meet my friends at the campus courtyard. We sit under a big tree talking about anything our class. We can plan or even random things like new movie or food we want to try. The small conversation always brighten my day. Then we walk together to our next class, which is usually more lively because the professor loves to involve everyone in a discussion. By noon, my stomach began to protest, so it's time to lunch. The campus cafeteria is always crowded, filled with students lining up for their favorite meals. Sometimes I order fried rice or fried chicken, but on other day I choose something simple like noodles or soup. My friends and me eat together while sharing jokes and laughing loudly, forgetting for a moment how stressful college life can be. After lunch, I usually head to the library. It's my second favorite place on campus. peaceful and full of inspiration. I sit near the window, open my laptop, and start working an assignment. Sometimes I get distracted by people walking outside, but most of the time I manage to get things done. If I'm stuck, I browse book or research article to find new idea. Later in the afternoon, I often attend group meeting for projects. Working with a team can be challenging because everyone has different schedule, ideas, and personalities. But it also teach me balance, communication, and responsibility. Even when we disagree, we always manage to reach a solution, usually after long discussion and plenty of snacks. Before going home, I like to spend a few minutes walking around campus. The atmosphere in the late afternoon feels different, calmer, warmer, and more relaxed. Students sit on a bench studying, chatting, or simply enjoying the sunset. Sometimes I stop by the student center to buy a drink or just rest for a while. When the sun begins to set, I finally head home. The walk back is quieter, giving me time to reflect on my day. I think about what I accomplished, what I need to do tomorrow, and sometimes I simply enjoy the pleasurable moment. Once I arrive home, I change into comfortable clothes and like a break before doing more assignment. College life can be exhausting, but it's also full of experience that shape who I am. Every day bring new challenge and lesson and new memories. And even though there are times when I feel overwhelmed, I wouldn't trade these moments for anything. Because this is my campus life, busy, unpredictable, tiring, but also meaningful and unforgettable. Okay, that's all for today's video story. Thank you for watching and see you.